This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase derivatives. First, you need to understand that derivatives trading is different from simply buying and selling crypto. It involves contracts that derive their value from an underlying asset like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These contracts allow you to speculate on future price movements without owning the actual cryptocurrency. We'll cover the basics to get you started safely and effectively. To begin, ensure your Coinbase account is fully verified and enabled for derivatives trading. You'll need to fund your derivatives wallet separately from your main spot wallet. You can typically deposit supported cryptocurrencies or fiat currency. Be aware of any minimum deposit requirements, which could be around $100, to activate certain trading features. Always review the specific funding options available in your region. When trading, you'll select a specific futures contract, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Decide if you want to go long, expecting the price to rise, or go short, anticipating a price drop. It's crucial to use risk management tools like stop-loss orders. These automatically close your position if the price moves against you by a certain amount, helping to protect your capital. Always trade responsibly and understand the leverage involved. Coinbase Derivatives offers advanced order types, including limit and market orders, allowing for precise entry and exit points. Continuously monitor your open positions and track your profit and loss directly from your dashboard. This real-time data is essential for making informed decisions. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.